Hi everyone, I am Dr. R. Soumya, Assistant Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. In this video, we are going to see the subject electronic devices and circuits. The topic is feedback topology. After watching this video, students can understand the concept and types of the feedback topology. The feedback amplifier topologies. There are four basic amplifier topologies for connecting the feedback signal. Both the current as well as the voltage can be feedback towards the input in series, otherwise in parallel. There are four types of feedback topologies. They are voltage series feedback amplifier, voltage shunt feedback amplifier, current series feedback amplifier, current shunt feedback amplifier. First, let us see about voltage series feedback amplifier. In this type of circuit, a portion of the output voltage can be applied to the input voltage in series through the feedback circuit. The block diagram of voltage series feedback amplifier is shown below. So here Vs is the input signal and V0 is the output signal. Vf is the feedback signal. Here beta is the feedback ratio. There are in this block diagram there are two sections. One is the amplifier section and another one is the feedback circuit. Next one, voltage shunt feedback amplifier. In this type of circuit, the portion of the output voltage can be applied to the input of the input voltage in parallel with through the feedback circuit. The block diagram of the feedback voltage shunt feedback amplifier is shown in figure. Here the input have a parallel connection and the output also have a parallel connection. Next one, current series feedback amplifier. In this type of circuit, a portion of the output voltage is applied to the input voltage in series through the feedback circuit. The block diagram of current series feedback amplifier is shown below. Here, in the input side, we have a series connection with the input signal and the feedback signal. Also, in the output side also, we have a series connection with the output and the feedback signal. Next one is the current shunt feedback amplifier. In this type of circuit, a portion of the output voltage is applied to the input voltage in the shunt through the feedback circuit. The block diagram of the current shunt feedback amplifier is shown in figure. So here the input have a parallel connection and the output have a series connection. This is the amplifier characteristics. So there are four topologies: voltage series voltage shunt, current series current shunt. The input resistance voltage series increases, output resistance voltage series decreases, and in current series amplifier the input resistance is increases by the factor 1 plus A beta and the output resistance is also increases by the factor 1 plus A beta. Next one, the third one is the current shunt. Here the input resistance is decreases with the factor 1 plus A beta, but the output resistance is increases by the factor 1 plus A beta. And finally, the voltage shunt, the input resistance and input resistance decreases by the factor 1 plus A beta, and also output resistance decreases by the factor 1 plus A beta. Next, advantages and disadvantages. The amplifier gain can be stabilized by the negative feedback. Next, the particular feedback configurations can be increased by the input resistance. Output resistance will be decreased for a particular feedback configuration. The operating point is stabilized. The disadvantage of this amplifier is gain reduction. So, applications, it is mainly used in the electronic amplifiers, regulated power supply and large bandwidth amplifiers.